Are you ready to say goodbye to winter and hello to spring? Just like our homes, our skin can benefit immensely from a good spring cleaning. It's time to refresh, revitalize, and rejuvenate your skincare routine. Imagine starting the day with a fresh, glowing complexion. That's the power of exfoliation. It's like sending an eviction notice to dead skin cells. Opt for a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant to avoid any potential irritation. Remember, your skin is a delicate flower. Treat it with love and care. Hydration is the secret ingredient for that plump, dewy look. Think of it as quenching your skin's thirst. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Pair this with a moisturizer that suits your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or something in between. It's like giving your skin a long, refreshing drink. Sunscreen should be your constant companion, even in the spring. Those sneaky UV rays don't take a vacation. They're always ready to cause damage, so always be prepared to fight back. Protect your skin with a broad-spectrum sunscreen and let it be your shield against those harmful rays. A face mask is like a mini spa treatment for your skin. It's a powerful tool to deeply cleanse and nourish your skin. Whether you're battling blemishes, dryness, or dullness, there's a mask out there that's ready to come to your rescue. Lastly, don't forget about those makeup brushes. They can be a breeding ground for bacteria if not cleaned regularly. Imagine applying makeup with a clean brush every time. It's a simple step that can prevent breakouts and keep your skin looking its best. In summary, spring is the perfect time to revamp your skincare routine. Start by exfoliating to reveal fresh, glowing skin. Hydrate, 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 both inside and out. Protect your skin from the sun, pamper it with a face mask, and keep those makeup brushes squeaky clean. With these easy steps, your skin will be ready to shine this spring. And before we part ways, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Your skin will thank you.